You can't make it through there. You gotta go the other way. What are you doing? How'd you get over there? Are you stuck, buddy? Do you need help? Do you need medical attention? Okay, no, you're good. You're good. You can't get it. You can't get it. How'd you not get it? Where are you going? Where are you going now? I'm going to chase my doogie. What is he doing? He doesn't know if he can get it. He's still trying. There he is. Look at this dude. He can't get it. He can't get it. He can't get it. He's jumping so high. You gotta come get it, buddy. How else are you supposed to get your toy? You want everything. You want everything, but you want it to be given to you on the paw. You want it to be had on the paw. You want everything. Don't lick my phone, Canelo. You have a nasty tongue. I don't know where your tongue's been at. So you just gave up on the toy? Give up? Yeah? Give up on this? You gave up on that? Canelo? Did you give up on him? You gotta come get it. You gotta come get it. You gotta come get it. Yeah, it's up here, but you gotta get it. You can't get it. You can't get it. If this dude get it, if he can get it, I'll give you $5. Oh, $5? I want that $5. Get it so you can get $5. Go get $5, Canelo. Get it, boy. Get it. Get them $5. Get them $5. Dude, look at how high he jumped. Oh, he did it. He did it.